So now we are checking for Selfie TV over there. Bubble Sparks Party, who's on fleek. You get them with the vagina. For your vagina boss, you just step out. But it ain't hot, you know, we have to go in it.
When the girl them there when no say you're not dead for hungry, say no, not me. This a get up. You know we in this tribe, boy.
When they represent for the football party on fleek, so you know the girl that is better. So when you can find stars.
Like the queen of comfortable, let pictures be socialized. Greatest pussy grow for life. Slip in the little pretty pussy, I come body, say let's go tonight.
Bubble party, turn up.
Listen, I go work.
Alright. DJ Pops Movements, what's up here, yeah?
Selfie TV, catch you girl in the night party.
Ready?
Show me. Johnny's ever look good. I mean, at that your name here.
I can't wait to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
When me good girl them there, walk out, the good girl walk out. Walk out, the good girl walk out. You look good, the good girl walk out. You smell fresh, the good girl walk out. Hey, Chuck. Jesus Christ, Johnny's got money forward. Play back that song again. 6th of September, Johnny's party, don't go golf. And I can roll on feet, yeah?
Yo, Selfie TV. Make sure someone put it on a calendar every year. Who's on fleek? Bubble Sparks Party. DJ Pops was here, live in living colors. And I'll be here next year, so make sure you check it out. Oh, on fleek, look.
Oh, right show, have a buzz.
Alright, man. Yeah, Pinky.
Three words. Party nice, I think I want. Nobody can style up our work for what we want. They can't tell this.
Well, I never was a chain, I never think about it.
Yeah?
People them love the DJ Bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
If it wasn't for the curfews and the cops, daylight thing.
People they roll out to the big man, you know? Yeah.
Selfie TV, we girl them a pray. You know the ball name going on.
Yeah.
Next year bigger, better.
Yeah.
You know the thing going. Girl them have to come out early.
Yeah.
Early. Come
Alright.
show off the clothes them and show off the makeup. You see me I say?
Yeah.
You know the play going on. Selfie TV.
The girl never fling a jacket for a man says selfie.
Selfie TV, we are watch.